Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play online multiplayer without PS Plus on PS4 console. So in order to do it, you can play free to play games. So games like Fortnite, Warframe, Apex Legends and others. So these don't require a PS Plus subscription for online multiplayer. So you can simply download them from the PlayStation Store and start playing online. Second thing that you can do is you can simply get the free PS Plus weekends. So Sony sometimes offer free weekends where you can access PS Plus features including online multiplayer without needing a subscription. So you need to keep an eye out of for announcements from PlayStation. If a friend or the family member has a PS Plus subscription, then you can set their account as the primary on your console. This allows you to share their PS Plus benefits, including online multiplayer access, without needing your own subscription. The fourth step is that some games offer limited time trials or demos that might include online multiplayer features. While this isn't a permanent solution, it can give you a taste of online play without needing PS Plus. If you are looking to play multiplayer without going online, consider games that offer local multiplayer options. You can enjoy multiplayer gaming with friends on the same console. If you have a family PS Plus account, the subscription benefits can be shared across multiple accounts on the same console, including online multiplayer access. You need to remember while these methods allow you to play multiplayer without a PS Plus subscription, they might not work for every single user or on every single game. For most online multiplayer game on the PS4, a PS Plus subscription is still required. So you can try all of these methods in order to play the online multiplayer without PS Plus subscription on your PS4 console. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.